Tips and Tricks. Chapter 2. Loading a zip file. With PrestoPlot, you may directly load up a zip file containing datasets. Let's import a zip file using the mouse drag and drop. A window with the available files list appears. Let's select the IBAT and VDHU datasets and load the files. The datasets are loaded, and we can create a plot in a graph, for example. Removing an image creation date in an output. With the Save Graph button, we now export the file using the PNG image format. By default, the current date and timestamp are included in the image. This is also true when printing a graph, with the Print Graph button. In the Configure Preferences menu, under the Hard Copy tab, unselect the Display the Text Marker option. Let's export again this graph as an image. Now, exported images and printouts do not contain a date and a timestamp. Resetting the view after a series of zooms. In a graph, PrestoPlot allows making rapid and accurate zooms. Firstly, by drawing a box, while holding down the mouse middle button. Secondly, by drawing a line on any axis. Thirdly, the mouse will also allow zooming, within a graph or on any axis. A right mouse click cancels out the last zoom, and gets back to the previous view. To cancel all zoom actions, and to get back to the initial view, simply hold down the Shift key and do a right click. File association with PrestoPlot for the PGR and PCF extensions. PrestoPlot may create its own files, for example the PGR files, PrestoPlot Graph, for graphs, and the PCF files, PrestoPlot Command File, for macros. These extensions may be associated to automatically activate PrestoPlot. To set the associations, for example under Windows, right-click on the file, Properties, Modify, then select PrestoPlot. We now repeat these steps for the PCF command file. Associations are set. A double click on either file automatically starts PrestoPlot if not already open. The graph is open for a PGR file and commands are executed for a PCF file. Else, the actions are carried out in the current PrestoPlot session. Removing the splash screen. Starting PrestoPlot displays a brief splash screen. The PrestoPlot startup time may be shortened by removing the welcome screen display. In the Configure, Preferences, Advanced menu, the splash show parameter controls the display duration. Set the startup time value at 0 to prevent the PrestoPlot splash screen display. PrestoPlot now launches on the fly. Installing a new version. When installing a new PrestoPlot version, to keep the setup and user options, simply overwrite the old PrestoPlot executable with the new executable, and keep the current PrestoPlot ini file. Thank you for watching this video.